In this video, I want to go over some basic snapping functionality. To start, when an object is selected like this seat, you'll see a red, green, and blue graphic in the center, which represent the three different axes. These axes are relative to the object, meaning if I were to move the object to another surface or rotate the object, the axes will change with it. With that in mind, if you open your side menu, you'll see a snapping section with each of the three corresponding axes, red, green, and blue. Each of these buttons can be toggled on or off. The top three buttons are for snapping to the center along each axis, and the bottom three for snapping to the edge. Now keep in mind that this is a global setting that affects all objects in your room. The center and edge are based off what the rulers of an object are touching. So for example, this seat's rulers touch the four walls in the room. If I turned all the buttons off, I'd have complete freedom of movement and could even push the seat outside if I wanted to. Let's say I wanted to center this object along the width of the room. That axis for this seat is currently red, so I need to turn on the red center snapping button. Then as the seat gets closer to the center, it will snap in place. Edge snapping works the same way. So if I turn on the edge buttons, now the seat will snap to other objects its rulers touch, like this wall. Now just to provide one more example, I mentioned that snapping is based off what the rulers of the object touch. So right now the center for this seat along this axis would be between these two walls. If I were to add another seat here, now the rulers are touching this seat and this left wall, so the center would be over here.